This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio for SmartBond device running SDK 10. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Log into my Renesas account. Click on Downloads, Quick Links, and select the latest version of eSquare Studio installer. Select the option for Document Update Notification. Click on the Accept and Download button. Extract the downloaded zip file and double-click the installer. Select Installation for all users or current user. The All Users option requires administrator permissions. Select Install to continue. The eSquare Studio installer provides 3 types of installation. The light install type is recommended as it offers simplified coding and debugging experience and provides all important features necessary for normal development. The standard install type provides additional features for more advanced debugging. The custom install type lets you customize the installation according to your preferences. You can click here to view a list of the features included for the install types. The custom install type is selected in this video. Installation can continue even if internet connection is not available. Select the default installation folder or click Change to select a new folder. After all preparations are completed, click Next. Select device families. Select the necessary language pack and features, and click Next. Select the components. Select additional software. If there is no internet connection, additional software installation can be skipped and installed later. Select the GCC version 10 toolchain and uncheck the LLVM toolchain for SDK 10. Accept the software agreement. Create shortcuts in the Start menu. Review the summary, then click Install to proceed with the installation. Installation is in progress. If the GNU ARM embedded toolchain was selected, an installation wizard will pop up. Click Next. Click I agree to accept the license agreement. Select the installation folder, then click Install. Click Finish to complete the GNU ARM embedded toolchain setup. Installation is in progress. The installation is completed. eSquare Studio can be launched from Start menu. After installation, you can add or remove features by running the installer again and choose the Modify option. For more information, visit the eSquare Studio FAQ page. In the next video, we will show you how to import sample project. Please continue watching.